Hi guys, I'm Kayla from today. I want to teach you how to make worms. It's not cool? Just kidding. It is also can wrap around and be a mini magic ball. So first step by taking your A4 paper and fold it in half. And turn it out perfectly. Part 2. So now we are going to open it up. When you open it up, you need to slide it a little bit because you fold too precise. Fold. Now, I'm going to turn it back over. It doesn't matter, just I can see the line, so fold it downwards. Now, we are going to tear it off. But super easy when you run your fingernail first. And don't tear it first. And now we're going to turn it back on and fold along that edge and crease it shortly. Super easy to tear. So when you tear, you can also use braided or scissors or tear it off. So I'm going to tear it off and tear it all the way across to there. So let's tear it. Oh, cool. And now part 3. So now we are going to take your paper and fold it to there. And now we're going to fold it upwards. And crease it sharply. Turn it back over and fold it. And do it all the way across to the last. And let's fold it. And last, we are going to fold the excess paper down or up, okay? And for this edge down. And now for this edge down. And now for this excess paper up. And tear it off. First tear a little bit when you tear it off all the way. Now we're going to open it. So we are going to pinch along this line and fold it to there. And keep doing it. Almost. And fold this edge down. And now done. And now we're going to open it all. And now we are going to take it, the edge, and pinch this edge and fold it to the. It's actually easy when you do it like pinch it and fold it. And pinch it and fold it. Pinch it, fold it. Pinch it, fold it. Pinch it, fold it. Pinch it and fold it. Pinch it, fold it. And pinch it, fold it. And pinch it, fold it. And fold the excess paper down. Now crease it all sharply, and we are ready to move on. So open it up. First you're gonna to crease sharply when you open it up. Fine. So now we're going to take your paper like that. Now we are going to fold in half like that. And this one is quite fast. Now two. And now for this excess paper up. And up. And turn it back over, do the same thing. It's quite long. It's quite long because the paper is too long.
That's 6.
Now, open it. Flat off. And now, you can also write something here, but don't do that because your paper, we are not writing something, we are folding something. So, excuse me. Sorry. And now we are going to pinch above this line first, fold it. And now, fold this edge like that. And good thing is, this edge is coming up and fold it. It's quite easy when you fold this paper. Now pinch here and like pinch this whatever line. This line I mean. And fold it to and there. So it's quite long when you really want to make this. So that will be part 7. And pinch this edge up, fold it, and fold this edge like that. And for this edge like that, and press it down. And do it all the way across to there. Okay?
Part 7.
So now we are taking our paper. I know the last you can't make it. Just pinch along this line And this edge you need to fold it. The first time we fold it to there. Now we are going to fold it to there. And now this edge, pinch it like that. And crabs it together. And first crabsing it together. First we're gonna do it like that. And pinch it, and here will comes out and fold it. And fold all with this done. Now we are just gonna to make one thing, only can crab that together. Now take this and fold it inwards. So when you do it inwards, it's a little bit tricky. So it's super easy to make it. Just try to make it and do the same thing here and here. Just do it. So you will see here is much water bomb base. Alright, so now we are going to take your paper, and sometimes you will see something like that. Just push it inwards. And now we are going to collapse it together to be paper firework. Your worms is actually completed, but this is two fat worms. So now we are going to first fold it super sharply. Press it. Ouch. Now I'm going to open it up. One unit. And now the same thing. One unit. Now we are going to take it all together. Good thing it is lined up perfectly like that. And now we're going to fold this edge down. It's very easy to lock it together. And fold it again. Now for this inwards. And now for this edge, inwards and inwards. And now when you're done, it's completed. Just I want to show you the firework, how it works. And the firework, how it works. It's actually the paper magic ball. And the magic ball, how it works, I will show you. There it is. Look at it. It's so awesome. But the magic ball is just and just press it. And when you need to open some hole, only press it. The first time you made, you can make it. The second time you make, you can make it. And hope you enjoyed this video. And remember to like and subscribe to see more videos. Bye.